morning, you guys. What's up? It's your girl Brand. Hey y'all, I know we're only 1.5 seconds into the video, but I don't know what in the fuck is in my nose. I don't know if that's a booger. Is that a land? I don't know why I didn't look in the mirror before I filmed this video. I don't know a lot of things, but what I do know is that just don't judge me, okay? Because I won't judge you. Just enjoy the vibes, okay? Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing a little bit of a cooking with Brandy quarantine session. So today I'm going to be trying the famous TikTok whipped coffee drink. This is my first time trying this out. We have all of the ingredients right here, and Ashley's gonna help me. She doesn't want to be on camera right now, but all you need if you want to make this at home is instant coffee for sure. You have to have instant coffee, sugar, and your choice of milk. So I'm gonna try it with almond milk, and then Ashley's gonna try it with regular lactate milk. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys how it turns out. Egregious? That's not a good definition.
Yeah, it smells egregious in the bathroom.
So this is what the whipped coffee looks like after we stirred it and whisked it. So now is the time where we put the milk in. I'm gonna do the almond milk version. Ashley's gonna do the regular milk version. I'm super excited to try this out. Oh my god, like I'm so surprised. Now let's taste it. Do a quick taste test.
What if it's nasty?
It's delicious. Our mom is out here. It's so good. Look, taste it.
Wow. It's coffee.
Taste it, mommy. It's so good.
You took too much. But
yeah, you took a lot.
One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibility.
Does she have ice in it?
oh yeah, they said 3 things that I.
Oh.
But it's okay. We can do that. That's okay. It's not like Brady. It's not like we did it wrong.
Yeah. Okay, I need one more. Okay.
The boy stop playing, grab my ass.
Y'all, this is so delicious. Thank you, mommy, for the recommendation. The almond milk set it off with the intenseness of the instant coffee. When we tasted the whip, it was really bitter, but the almond milk, it just balanced it out. I got this Simply original almond milk. It's really delicious. Ashley's gonna make a little bit more whip. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed. I know today's video was kind of short today, but I just wanted to show you guys me doing this fun little whipped coffee experiment. It's so delicious. I highly recommend using the almond milk instead of just regular lactate milk because Ashley was not a huge fan of hers. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you comment down below, and if you tried this whipped coffee recipe, let me know in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.